In this video, I'll show you how to make the slice head effect in Canva using only free tools. Let's get started. Alright, first, add the image you want to slice. We only need the face for this effect, so to crop it out, go to this website. I've leave the link in the video description. Once you're here, simply upload your image and it will automatically remove the background, giving you just the face. Download that image and head back to Canva. Now, add a new page in your Canva design and upload the face image you just downloaded. Crop out any extra space around it, then increase the size and place it perfectly in the center. Once that's done, duplicate the image and place the new one exactly on top of the original. Now crop the top image from the bottom so only the upper portion of the head remains. Then select the original image and crop it from the top so you're left with the lower portion. Duplicate this cropped part again and crop it from top. And lastly, crop the middle part from the bottom to get just the middle slice of the face. At this point, your image should be split into 3 parts: top, middle, and bottom. Now, slightly rotate the top part of the head to one side to start creating the sliced effect. Then adjust the bottom part so it aligns properly and looks visually balanced. To make it even more dynamic, let's slightly rotate the middle part too. Once it looks good, select all the pieces and center them. Next, let's add some design depth. Grab a circle shape and rotate it to match the angle of the middle slice. Stretch and resize it so it fits perfectly in the gap between the top and middle part. Send this circle backward so it sits behind both sliced pieces. To refine the look, increase your preview size and adjust the placement precisely. Once that's done, duplicate the circle, drag it down, rotate it to match the bottom slice, and place it there. Send this one backward as well so both shapes sit behind their respective parts. To make the effect more seamless, select the circles and change their color to match the skin tone or face color of the image. Apply the same color to both shapes. Now go to the elements. Search for shadow, and under graphics, pick a soft shadow element. Make it small, rotate it slightly, and place it just above the circle to create a realistic shading effect. Reduce the transparency a bit so it blends in naturally. Repeat the same with the second circle to enhance depth. To finish the design, add a solid background color of your choice. Then select all the elements, group them, and decrease the size slightly and align it. For the final touch, add a soft shadow underneath the head to make it look like it's floating. Reduce the transparency just a bit to keep it soft and realistic. And that's it. That's how you can create the slice head effect in Canva, completely free. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy and creative Canva tutorials. And if you want to learn how to make an awesome 3D pop-out effect, watch the next video. I'll see you there.